Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, May 10, 2017. The only thing that's moving really this morning, I should have said has been moving this morning, was the energy sector. Oh, sorry. Okay, technical problem. As you can see here, it all happened at 10:30 when, first of all, this morning, the crude oil and the gas opened higher, and at 10:30 they broke out, and the silver and the gold was in the same condition, but the second movement never happened. This movement here, and it came back down, while the stocks never got back down there, and it still remained on the upside. But we're waiting for this other movement here, and it's about the same situation everywhere. So maybe it can happen because look, the mining are in the situation to declare a new bullish cycle. The financial could start a bounce back. The industrial could make a new high, but we're there. Which side is it going to choose? The situation got better a little bit than this morning. So let's see what we got here. We're going to do the most important financial thing. Electronic Art has jumped quite a bit this morning, making a new high on earnings that were predicted at 75. They got 85. And Walt Disney went down on its earnings, which were better, 141 to 150. Sotheby -4 to -12, -40 to -12. It is better, but the movement did not continue. And SunPower is breaking out on its earnings that were -49 to -36. So there's a little bit of potential on the upside here. Nvidia has a nice movement, but it's stuck now at such an important resistance. I think we have to make sure that we are going to make a new high on this thing. Nvidia is 81 to 85. Yelp plus 16 to plus 19. So I don't explain why the stock has dropped that much, like it was gonna be, like it was expected better, but you know, it was not even on the move before. Even yesterday, it was going down. I am TripAdvisor 27 to 24. So I was questioning myself why was it going up this morning on bad earnings. And Franco-Nevada is going up like most of the gold stock, but it's still not a buy signal there. And IAMGOLD has done better too, but it's still there since it opened this morning. And it's the situation of most of the stock. Silver Wheaton and American Silver. Wheaton has a 1 cent better, and it came back. The movement Denver continued. Pan American Silver neither, because they were expecting 8 cents. They got 6 cents. Sun Life is heading down because they went from 99 to 93 cents in the earnings. And Concordia Healthcare would deceive a lot of people today because the stock went up for 3 days, and today on its earning it's really felt. So, you know, if you bought here, it would have been a very good idea to take some profit yesterday because the profit were there. So now at this point, let's see it. You'll see that we are getting close to a sell point, because if the stock breaks down under this support here, that would be definitely a sell, so that the price is like 195. And now Ari Biopharma has a good news about one of their cure for people that has the cancer, so it could be interesting a little bit later on, but right now it is stuck at the previous resistance and it's not a buy. So West Corp has been bought by an affiliated company of Apollo Global, and the DHX has they are buying Iconics, so it's going down because they get money out, and Iconics is not listed. Stornoway Diamond is going down a little bit, but still sitting on an important support here, even though they have declared that this year in 2017 they had produced 459,000 carat of gold, of diamond, sorry, but they still have lost 3 million there. So, but there's no sell signal on the stock. That would happen really under 80, so that'd be like 77 cents approximately. And that's all for the news this morning. So where this thing will go? You know, the market is trying to find itself. It went from positive to negative today. And if you look at the Nasdaq market, it was until so far following yesterday afternoon and this morning downtrend. It stopped there, came back right here. So we're just about the beginning of a new uptrend intraday-wise. On the Dow Jones, it would reverse the situation also if it becomes positive. It's not the case. And same thing on the SPY, same thing on the TSX. So now we're in between. The market is quite neutral since about an hour. And as I said, it's the energy sector that went up this morning, and then the mining and the gold. But for the moment, they are stuck at their highest of the day. So we got to wait, see if it's going to continue. And the difference is, you know, in the on the energy sector, it's nice. If you look at the weekly, it's not that nice because you see it's still like at the bottom of the movement. When you look at it on a daily perspective here, it's definitely beginning a new bullish cycle. So every single the 1030 movement has confirmed this situation. Another confirmation would come at 995 approximately. And the gas is doing so, and the stock too. So we have many stocks like the index here, which is our going sideways right now, but we're getting close to a buy signal like at 1985 for Enerflex, and Trican a little bit higher here than the resistance. Vermillon is quite nice actually right now. and from its double support. It's just that the volume is very weak. On New Vista, it's the same thing. So they're doing nice movement. Like Trinidad is showing a typical breakout here, so that's a nice prospect. It has a double resistance not very far away, like 261. So should we wait until we reach the resistance and begin a new bullish cycle? I think we are better. I have a signal here. I think I have made a bad move this morning. Bought 700 VRX at Toronto. Oops. VRX. Valent Pharma. 700 at 1717. Let's check this out. 1717, and you are 1704 right now. Okay, so let's see it in one. Well, first of all, you know, we have a resistance at this level. Forget about this little peak here. Okay, let's see that now in a 1 minute chart. So you bought it at 1717, and the thing is, this signal will be reversed at 1685. And whenever it reaches your price, I think you're going to be good to take a profit around 1750 and even higher. So right now it's a very easy to identify situation. It is neutral since 11 o'clock, and whenever it pierces 1717, it is your break-even point. I think you'll be good to make a few penny. And then never hesitate closer to the resistance. You sell half of that position you just bought, even though it's not big money, it's safer money. And we have a little downward movement at the moment here. The gold seems like it could come back down, and the stock also. So you know, really wait to buy on the gold sector that we make a very strong new high for the day. And for the energy stock, it's a nice movement too, but we need a new high then there too if you haven't bought anything yet. So for the rest of the sector, it's so calm. Look, the industrials are coming back down what's more. So there's not much happening in the other sector. I think we would pass any buy signal on the other sector so far, and check for the continuity of the first move up of the energy sector and the potential one coming from the gold. This is it. We're going to the pause.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of pressure now on the Dow Jones here. So I think it seems like the Dow could come back to the low of the day today. That's what I think. But, you know, it's not done yet. So while the Nasdaq is showing a different story since the last higher bottom, there's a possible breakout here. And on the TSX also, but it is very calm. As I said earlier, you know, no traditional sector are on the move, and so far we're still the energy sector still have to prove us that there are buyers in the sector and making a new high to acquire new positions in there. And in the mining, it's the same thing, because now we have a negative peak. So chances are that the sector will come back down here, and it may be down there too. So I think we have to be a little bit cautious. There aren't many strong signals today. Let's see what I can find other places here. Well, I have okay, PIH, Pacific Insight, ELTR. I don't know what this is. Corp. Oh man, forget about that stock. It's not trading enough. Not interesting. Liquor store, 222,000, but there is a 90,000 trade here at this level without any movement. So I wonder if this thing is true or not. So and there are some sector. I saw that one. Enerflex is nice too, but the volume is so low, and Canacol Energy has a low volume too. But I would prefer buying above this resistance at 423. And not much stuff. Cascade is still very strong because Cascade was in this angle, and now I mean on a new high here, it could be interesting. It's a new. It would be a new high for many years so far. But it's not the end of the world. Again today on the market seems to be a little bit lazy. And so one sector move and then after the other one, but there's nothing really strong. So I think we better pass on everything unless it would give us a very nice signal. Let's check out another market if I can find something for you. I got 22 on NASDAQ. Let's see what's the best here. China information, 322,000. There was a bunch of volume here this morning, but the stock came back. I don't know. NVIDIA, no. Ambarella has no volume on a nice movement, but no volume almost. SolarEdge Technology. Oh, I like that one. That one is a very nice, big classic. Let's check out the volume. The volume is great too. It's been very interesting. Oh, it hasn't done anything since it's after 10 o'clock. But there's a possibility for other days in the short future, because the whole thing has been reversed now. So it's a downtrend that became a sideways trend that is now back into an uptrend. And SunPower is nice too on another movement. So 760 would be the buy-in there. Let's see. I'm trying to find decent trade, a decent position that could be open. This one I like it. What's the volume? 600,000, but there's a 200,000 volume here on that little trade here. But okay, it would be okay on a new high like 1515. Calitera Bioscience, there's no volume, so I think it's very suspectful there. Suspicious movement. Let's clean those volume here. See if it's the big volume. It's not a big volume for a big quote. Oh, okay. There's a big resistance here. Would be nice after that, So I think it's got to stop here and make a new high over the next few days, past the $45 mark. So that's it. That's all we got. So very hard to know where this market is going to end in the afternoon, because it's been trying a few times and it never happened. Nothing is bad. There's no bad news around, but the market seems to be very lazy. So we're waiting for a new high on gold stock and on the energy stock, maybe to have a buy-in today. That's about all what we have. So I thank you very much for attending, and we'll be back at 3:15 for the last show of Market Guru TV. Thanks very much for attending.